Everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through an old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I'm up to program number 69, which is called Car Payments. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into the classic 99 emulator, get into TI Basic from there, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, car payments, number 69. Shopping for a new car? Use your computer to compute quickly the potential monthly car payment on various models. Imagine you want an $8,000 car and are prepared to put up $1,000 against the purchase. You want to arrange to finance the car for 36 months. You know the current annual interest rate on car loans is 15%. Key in those few numbers and the computer instantly tells you the car payment will be $242.66 per month. Okay, let's get into the classic 99 emulator, get into TI Basic, and let's start typing. 10, call clear. 20, go sub to 10. I always think it's weird when a subroutine is called right off the bat. 30, print automobile payment. 40, go sub to 10. 50 print and 60 print. 70 input purchase price. Let's get the punctuation exactly as written here. Looks like we've got 3 spaces and a dollar sign. 1, 2, 3, dollar sign, end quote, and we'll call that T for some reason. T. Oops, got a typo there. I accidentally hit enter. Input, purchase price, boom, boom, boom. T. There we go. Okay, let's clear the screen and list out the program. Sorry for that typo there. Okay, that looks good. 80 input down payment. And looks like we've got, I want these dollar signs to line up. That's the idea, I believe. And we're going to call that R. 90. Input number of months. Okay, set space and space. We're going to call that N. A little arbitrariness in the variables here. Okay, 110 input annual interest. Excuse me, 100 input annual interest. Oh, actual percent interest. Okay. Sorry, pay attention to what's in the book. Annual percent interest. Let's see, it looks like we have 1 space after that. And we are going to call that I. And now we've got some math. Okay, 110 I equals 0.01 times I, 0.01 times I, divided by 12, divided by 12. Okay, 120 P equals, okay, T minus R times I, T minus R times I, divided by, go slow and steady here, okay, parenthesis, 1 minus 1 divided by parenthesis 1 plus I, 1 plus I, end parenthesis, the power of n, and end parenthesis. I think that looks right. Let's double check it. P equals t minus r times I divided by parenthesis 1 minus 1 over 1 plus I to the power of n. We got 2 parentheses there, 2 there. That looks good, I believe. 2 there, 2 there. I think we're good. Okay, 130 print. No, I'm sorry. 130 is PP equals. I don't know. These variables are a little arbitrary in this program, I think. Integer of 100 times P plus 0.5 divided by 100. Let's double check that. Yep, looks good. Okay, 140 print. 150 print payment. And end parenthesis, semicolon PP. 160, 170, and 180 are all just blank print statements. 160 print, 170 print, 180 print, 190 input for more. For more, press enter. And we're just using this placeholder variable ky string, which features prominently in this book. Every programmer has their own techniques for such things, especially back then. 200 go to 10. 210 for L equals 1 to 18. For L equals 1 to 18. 220 print. We have a plus sign, just a little graphical eye candy here, and a semicolon. That means the next print line is going to print it on the same line. Okay, 230, next L. And 240 return, and that is the end of that program. 240 return. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen, list the program. We're looking for obvious errors, typos, math errors, syntax errors. Just because we don't see it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. But on the whole, it looks okay, I think, at a glance. We already checked the math expressions. Let's run the program. Okay, automobile payment. All right, let's do the numbers that were in the book, and then we'll do numbers that are slightly more realistic today. So this is from back in the day, of course. Purchase price, $8,000. That's about what I paid for my first car, actually. $8,000. Down payment. Let's say we put $1,000 down. Okay, number of months. And let's say 36 months. This is very similar to actually my first car payment. Actual annual percent interest, 15%. That's outrageous. $242.66. So it looks like we did everything right. That's the number that the book suggested. Let's, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a little research real quick. Let's see. I'm going to say I'm a big fan of Toyota Priuses. Let's see, so new Prius MSRP. Let's see what. All right, so starting. So let's do a starting. Yep, starting base model. Okay, so 28,550. 28,550. Close enough. The base model Prius. Down payment. Oh, I don't know. Let's say I put $1,000 down. You know, who puts a lot of money down in cars these days? We finance everything, right? Number of months. Oh, you know, let's do 72. Annual percent interest. Let's see. Typical. I have no idea what a typical auto loan rates. Okay, 9.43. So let's just say 10%. You know, we'll just kind of round up a little bit here, give or take. So 10%. So this is what it would cost to buy a new Prius these days: $510.39. Oh my God! And of course, that's on a 72-month 72-month loan. Let's try it again. 28,550. Let's say we put 0 down, because that's how a lot of places roll these days. And let's say I really want to get this paid off. 36 months. Same thing, 10% interest. $921.23 to buy a Prius. Oh my God, no wonder people can't afford cars and are taking Ubers all the time. Now let's say I want to buy a new pickup truck. Give me one sec to look up, I don't know the first thing about pickup trucks. Ford F-150, I know that one. F-150 MSRP. Okay, base model 38. Let's say I really want to pimp it out. So not a base model. I have, according to the AI overview here on Google, they can go all the way up to $79,005. Okay. Down payment, let's say I have to have a big truck, but I don't have any money. Just like everyone in this area that I live in. Number of months, let's say 72. That's pretty typical, right? Interest rate 10%. $1,463 a month for a truck. Oh my God, that's more than I'm paying for my half of the rent here. That's ridiculous. Okay, let's say now one more time. I can't resist. 79,005. Down payment 0. Number of months. Let's say I really want to get this truck paid off, and 10% interest. $2,549.27 for a truck. Anyways, that's mind-bogglingly ridiculous. I'll stick to my Prius, thank you very much, and never, ever, ever, ever sell it or get a new one. Better drive it till the wheels fall off. Okay, well, that was car payments from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner, the author of the book. If you happen to be watching this on my YouTube channel after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under my Twitch handle, CozyAzeroth, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing. Please be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel. It's under CozyAzeroth for live streams on all the above. You can watch me stream and program and play games live, and chat with me in the chat if you happen to catch me streaming live. In any case, I appreciate the enthusiasm for these retro streams, especially you TI-99 4A fans out there, and I appreciate any likes and follows, and especially subscriptions, which do help me out greatly in these challenging financial times. I mean, after all, look how much it costs to buy a pimped out truck in a small number of months these days. Alright, well, thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm going to peek ahead, actually, before I end the video. The next video is going to be to nearest 95 cents. So we'll see what that is in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you soon.